Jesus calls his disciples by name. No? And it's not just mere coincidence. No? We have seen that names carried meaning in the scriptures. But also more importantly, names indicate who and what people do. Names indicate the uniqueness of a person, no? Yung kanyang pagkanakatatangi. And it's not just about descriptions. It's about the stories of their life, their pasts, their concerns, their hopes, and their dreams. And in being called by the Lord, they are called into who they are as a whole. And also that includes their weaknesses, their misgivings. In a way also, and if we go back to the first reading today, insecurities, failures, no? Buong-buo ang pagkatao na tinatawag ng Panginoon. Hindi yung mabuti lang sa atin, hindi yung kapuri-puri, yung kalugod-lugod sa harap ng ibang tao, pero yung kabuuan ng kung sino tayo. And that is grace enough. Because the Lord looks at us, not with judgment, but with love and mercy. Not with prejudice, but with a sort of promise, a sort of hope in us, na kaya nating sumunod sa Kanya at ibibigay niya yung kinakailangan upang tayo'y makasunod.